You're watching Delmarva Life. Check out these serious summer vibes. This setup is at none other than the Spicer's house here in Delmar. I'm so excited to be here today. We're hanging out in the outdoor kitchen with Brian and Heather. This is so special.
Yeah.
So you have a kind of a nice summery recipe for us today, using the grill?
Yes. Nice
Okay.
summery outside. Keep the mess outside. The
Love
heat
that.
from the cooking outside. So yep, something nice and easy that she has made here, or we're going to make here.
Yeah, so what do we have going on?
What is it called?
Chicken bacon ranch foil packet.
Ooh, okay, sounds delicious. I like chicken, I like bacon, I like ranch.
Right. Well, there you go.
So we have all the ingredients right here. What do we have going on?
We've got some rice, chicken, broccoli, shredded cheese, bacon, mushrooms, ranch seasoning. So
Cool.
yeah, we're gonna kind of mix it, put it all together in a nice pile and
Yeah.
cook it.
I love a foil packet too, because it's just you do it and then you don't have to worry about it for a little while.
Right.
You set it and kind of
Yep,
forget it, but
be
not
done
forget
with
it,
it.
you know?
Yeah.
Cool.
Don't forget about it.
Okay, so should we fire on into this thing?
Guess I'm doing all the. You're going to show me how to do it.
I will talk you through it.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
All right.
So we're gonna start with the rice.
All right.
Or you go.
Yeah, I'll go. All right.
And we usually put about a half a cup.
Half a cup,
Not
okay.
too much.
It's on right here?
Right there in the center
Okay.
of the packet. Yep.
Okay. I think. Oh, I like a little chunk there.
There you go.
Perfect.
That looks
That's good.
great. Yep,
Perfect.
that looks great.
All right. Cool.
And then on top of your rice, we're going to actually add a tablespoon of butter, which is, yep,
You've already
they've already
portioned
been
them out,
pre-cut.
so that's
Yeah.
perfect. All right. It's like an assembly line we've got going on here.
Exactly. All right. The next we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken
Yeah.
on top. Probably, again, about a half a cup.
Okay, let's see here. What do we
I mean,
think?
there is no...
Maybe. Oh, I didn't get
You
it on.
could probably do maybe a little bit more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can really kind of add as much or as little of most of the ingredients as you want. Mm-hmm. Just the measurements are kind of just to
Yeah, this would
start
work.
with.
I think this is cool because you could really do whatever for whoever, the adults might want more, the kids might want a little bit less, they might want more chicken, less rice, that kind of thing.
And you can customize it too. You can add things that you like. You can do mushrooms and other
Yeah.
vegetables. Sure, you could.
Yeah, people I'm sure might get fired up for maybe some bell peppers, if you will.
Yeah. This is a good start.
All right, next we're going to add the broccoli.
Add the broccoli. Now,
Again, just as much or as little as you
all
want.
right, I like broccoli.
You could do, like you said, peppers, asparagus.
What if I make like a nice little broccoli crown here?
Of course.
Oh, Brian, don't you think that's adorable?
No.
You don't think it's adorable?
I think it's adorable.
Here, there we go.
I'm a straight line person.
You are. Now, who does most of the cooking around here?
Oh boy. Well, she does most of the putting it together during the summer, and I will cook it, for something to be cooked outside. Inside, that's hers. But once in a while, I'll come up with my own thing to give her a break, and
Yeah.
and she's fine with it, of course.
Yeah, I'm sure she is.
Exactly.
Cool.
Okay, and then we have, now I like to add mushrooms to mine, so I add those next. So if you want mushrooms,
I
you
love
can definitely
mushrooms.
add those.
Definitely a mushroom fan.
I am too. I'm the only
Oops.
one in our household.
You're not a mushroom guy?
No.
Really?
No,
Okay, look
I
at that.
eat mushrooms.
Wow. All right, skip Brian then.
And then
See, it's customizable.
That's just it. This is perfect.
It's customizable.
next you add the cheese.
Okay. What kind of cheese we got going on here?
That is Colby Jack, shredded Colby Jack cheese. You can use, again, any kind of cheese that you like.
I bet pepper jack would be
Pepper
good.
Jack would
Yeah.
be good.
Maybe some cheddar?
Cheddar.
Yeah,
exactly.
I love cheddar.
And then you're going to add the bacon.
Okay.
And of course, everything is better with bacon.
Oh, yeah,
so
that's a fact.
You can, add as much or as little of that as you'd like. For a lot of this, you can get pre-cut, the chicken, the broccoli, the cheese pre-shredded.
Yeah.
Like you can make it as simple or as hard as you like.
It's awesome.
So the last thing we're going to do is sprinkle some salt and some
Okay.
additional ranch seasoning on
A
top.
little salt. Check out the sprinkle. Ready, Brian?
Yep. That is actually pretty. Look at you.
Look at that.
Look at
And the
you.
Can yours
chicken
be
was
as full?
already marinated in the ranch dressing or the ranch seasoning
Right.
overnight. But you can add a little more on top just to give it a little bit more flavor. You don't want to
Not
use
too much?
the dressing.
Oh.
Here's a little spoon.
Instead of burn.
There's a spoon if you'd like.
I was gonna say I was just going for it.
Sorry.
Spoon's probably a better idea. Can make a mess.
Yeah, you don't want to use the dressing because that would make a huge mess.
Oh, that's a good tip.
The
And probably burn.
seasoning, it may, yes. The seasoning is works best.
That makes a lot of sense. I think that's a really good tip.
Is this something to taste, or is there like a when is it too much or no?
I know,
It's just your preference.
because she did say it's already on the chicken, so I feel like I feel good.
Yeah, you
All
don't
right.
need to add too much.
How fun that ours all look very different. I went with more of a circle vibe. Brian's kind of a line. You have more of an oval shape. Customizable.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right, and so then you just kind of take the sides, pull them both up, and then roll it down, fold it down.
Okay. Oh yeah.
And then the ends, you're gonna fold them a couple of times all the way up to the ingredients on the inside, and that creates your seal so that the ingredients kind of steam inside this foil packet.
Not a pro at this.
And
This
of
is
course,
not that pretty either.
I know I didn't. It's okay.
because
They'll
you know
taste
I
good.
like mushroom, we have to label things.
Oh, I love
around
that,
here,
yes.
So I just use a permanent marker and we'll label.
Perfect.
Yeah, mine doesn't get the M.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
And then these are ready to go on the grill, and you can make these ahead of time, which is great. So then you don't even have to worry about fussing with any ingredients or
Yeah.
making. If you're entertaining, you can enjoy your guests. But they're ready to go. They cook for about 20 to 25 minutes
Cool.
on the grill.
So let's put these onto the grill, take a quick break, and then we come back. We'll sample them up, right?
All right.
All right, cool. Delmarva Life, we're gonna put these on the grill, and we will be right back. You're watching Delmarva Life, and take a look at those foil packets. Here we are cooking with the spicers today. These are our chicken bacon ranch deliciousness, right? We've got Heather, we've got Brian, and they've been cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes,
yes.
right? So we're about to dig in here.
Make sure you have one with the M.
Got the M going on.
I'm not a mushroom person.
You're not a mushroom guy. Okay, here we go.
Oh wow.
It's kind of fun because you don't know what's going to look like until the end.
Yes, and they will be hot, so you just have to be a little careful with the steam as it comes out.
Okay, all right. So is this a recipe that took you a while to perfect, or do you kind of just say, this works?
This works.
Wow, that's pretty.
It is.
Wow, I like the colors. Look at the steam. Okay, so it is going
All
to
right.
be hot.
It's hot.
Give it a go here. Thank you. All right, so we just dig in.
Dig right in.
Okay.
And of course, you could always take it off the foil if you want it to look,
Yeah.
nice on the plate.
Impress the guests.
Exactly. Or you just eat it right out of the foil and you have no cleanup.
That makes a lot of sense.
Man, you can definitely taste the ranch in the
Yeah?
chicken and in the. It's good.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I really, really like the seasoning too with it.
Yes.
And that chicken is just like a nice, it's not too tough, but it's not too soft. It's like a perfect happy medium with the chicken.
Right. And if you don't like chicken breast, you could use chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
Oh,
I
yeah.
mean, it's another way to
Yeah.
make it the way you like it. So.
This is delicious. Of course, we have the recipe on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. You know, people, if you try it, we want to hear from you guys.
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah.
The Spicer Special, if you will. Now, speaking of, cooking with you guys in the outdoor kitchen, of course, Brian, you guys do outdoor kitchens for folks.
Yeah, we would. Yeah. Just not. We haven't seen the interest lately. I mean, it's coming back around, but yeah, we absolutely would build one.
And not even really just outdoor kitchens. I mean, you guys can help people really have an outdoor
Yeah.
paradise.
Yes, exteriors it's what we do.
Yeah. Do you see, like, if I want something for the summer, do I need to get in now? Like, how soon do I need to get in?
Well, it depends on where you live, what you want, because permits are required, and there's a lot of people out there that say they can do it in a few days, but there's, what about the permit? There's more things that go into it than just going out and build a deck.
Now, you guys been married for a while, huh? How
Yes,
long? 27 years.
I knew that, by the way.
You did? Yeah, you were right there. I knew you were right there with the answer. Heather, tell us something about Brian that maybe we don't see on the TV. What's a fun fact?
He likes to sing.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Not well, but I just like
Right.
I just sing. Like I'm out working in the yard, I'm singing.
I love that.
You just catch me singing.
Oh my goodness, we got to sing together sometime.
I'll
That'll
sing
be our
out.
next segment. You'll come on the Mid-South Audio stage and sing for us.
Yeah, it's not like good singing. It's just me out singing.
Yeah.
I'll sing in the store. Doesn't matter.
Really?
Yeah, sure.
Love that. And then our other star today. Who's this?
Rocky.
That is Rocky.
Oh, Rocky. How long you had Rocky here?
Rocky is 10. 10 years old.
Rocky's loving the camera action. All right, well guys, this has just been so fun.
Yes.
Again, recipes on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. And of course, if you want anything for your outdoors, make sure you hit up Spicer Brothers Construction. Brian and Heather, thank you so much. This has been awesome.
Yep, no
you
problem.
for
Thank you.
coming.
We're going to eat up and then enjoy the outside. Delmarva Life, we'll be right back.